Welcome guys, today I will show you how to change power button hold action from Gemini to power menu on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the settings app, swipe down twice to expand the upper menu, and here you will find settings app icon. Then go down a bit to the gestures chapter. Here, move to the physical key section and choose power key part. Alright, now make sure that you on the present hold mode, and from the appeared options pick power menu one. So for now, power menu activates Gemini, but if we will change it to power menu, it will normally activate the power menu. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.